Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been feeling low on energy, struggling with motivation, or just not performing like you used to, this video is for you. Today, we're diving into one of nature's most powerful secrets, a simple oil you can take before bed to boost testosterone, improve blood circulation, and reignite your male vitality naturally. This is not a synthetic pill or supplement filled with chemicals. It's a natural oil that works with your body while you sleep, helping you wake up refreshed, energized, and more confident than ever. Let's talk about how this oil actually works. Your body produces testosterone mostly during deep sleep. That's when your cells repair, your hormones balance, and your energy stores are restored. However, stress, poor diet, and lack of sleep can disrupt this process, causing your testosterone levels to drop. Taking this oil before bed provides your body with the nutrients and healthy fats needed to support optimal hormone production. It helps your body stay in a relaxed state, promoting deep, quality sleep and better hormone balance overnight. One of the main oils known for this effect is pumpkin seed oil. It's rich in zinc, magnesium, and essential fatty acids, all of which are crucial for testosterone production and prostate health. Studies have shown that men with higher zinc intake tend to have better testosterone levels and improved sperm quality. When taken before bed, pumpkin seed oil supports healthy hormone synthesis and keeps your body's natural production running strong. Another powerhouse is black seed oil, often called the oil of the pharaohs. It's packed with antioxidants and compounds like thymoquinone, which can help reduce inflammation, support heart health, and improve circulation. Better circulation means better nutrient and oxygen delivery to every cell in your body, including the areas responsible for male vitality and performance. Many men report better stamina and recovery when using black seed oil consistently. You can also consider extra virgin olive oil, which is a favorite in Mediterranean diets. This oil is known for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties and ability to support healthy cholesterol levels. It's loaded with monounsaturated fats that improve hormone function and boost testosterone naturally. Research shows that men who consume olive oil regularly tend to have higher testosterone levels than those who rely on refined vegetable oils. Taking a spoonful of olive oil before bed not only nourishes your body, but also supports heart health and smooth blood flow. If you're looking for something a bit more exotic, moringa seed oil is another excellent choice. Moringa is rich in vitamins A and E, which help combat oxidative stress, one of the biggest enemies of testosterone and vitality. It also supports better energy levels and stamina while promoting detoxification. The antioxidants in moringa oil help your body repair itself while you rest, leaving you feeling revitalized in the morning. Let's not forget coconut oil, which plays a big role in supporting natural testosterone levels. It contains medium-chain triglycerides MCTs that boost metabolism and support the production of healthy hormones. When used before bed, coconut oil provides your body with steady energy and helps balance blood sugar levels, both of which are essential for maintaining testosterone. It also improves the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin D, which directly supports male hormone health. So, how should you take these oils? The key is consistency and timing. Taking a small spoonful, about 1 to 2 teaspoons of your chosen oil, 30 minutes before bed, can do wonders over time. You can take it straight or mix it into a warm drink like milk or herbal tea. This helps your body relax and absorb the nutrients effectively. Avoid mixing too many oils at once. Instead, try one for a week or two, then switch to another to see which your body responds to best. Now, let's discuss why taking the oil before bed is so effective. During sleep, your body enters a restorative state. Blood circulation improves naturally, and your endocrine system ramps up its activity, especially during deep sleep cycles. When you consume a healthy oil before bed, it provides your body with essential fatty acids that act as raw materials for hormone synthesis. It also supports the production of nitric oxide, a molecule that widens blood vessels and enhances circulation. This means better oxygen flow, improved endurance, and overall vitality. Besides improving testosterone, these oils also support cardiovascular health. Healthy circulation is the foundation of male performance and energy. Over time, consistent use of these oils can reduce stiffness in arteries, lower inflammation, and promote better blood flow throughout the body. That translates to improved physical performance, sharper focus, and higher energy levels during the day. But remember, no oil alone can perform miracles. You also need to pair it with a healthy lifestyle. Stay active, get enough sleep, manage stress, and include foods rich in minerals and protein. Avoid excessive alcohol, sugar, and processed foods that can suppress testosterone. Think of this oil as a nightly ritual, a way to nourish your body from the inside out while it rests and repairs itself. If you want to supercharge your results, consider combining your nighttime oil routine with nutrient-rich foods like eggs, spinach, avocados, and nuts during the day. These provide extra zinc, magnesium, and vitamin D, all key elements for testosterone and energy. A simple 10-minute walk after dinner can also help regulate blood sugar and boost hormone balance before bed. Many men who started taking these oils before bed noticed significant changes within a few weeks: better energy, improved mood, sharper focus, and stronger performance. Their sleep improved, recovery time shortened, and they felt more youthful overall. It's amazing how small, natural habits can transform your health when practiced consistently. So, if you've been feeling sluggish, low on energy, or just not like your old self, give this simple nightly ritual a try. Whether you choose pumpkin seed oil, black seed oil, olive oil, or coconut oil, the benefits are real when used consistently. Your body thrives on natural nourishment, and these oils provide exactly that. Start with 1 teaspoon before bed tonight and let your body do the rest. Over time, you'll notice the difference in how you feel, perform, and live. Natural solutions often work quietly, but their effects are lasting and powerful. Thank you for watching, and if you found this information helpful, make sure to like this video, share it with others who could benefit, and subscribe for more natural health tips to boost your energy, performance, and overall well-being. Take care of your body, stay consistent, and let nature do its magic while you sleep.